and don't pass the remote. What researchers find there will have you getting up to change the channel.
Remote controls, hotbed for infection.
So for those of you at home, do you know what the dirtiest thing in the hotel room is? Anyone in the audience? The remote control. It's virtually never cleaned. And I don't clean much, but I'll tell you what, that's a good thing to take a wipe to when you get into the hotel room.
CBS News. Hotels harbor more germs than expected. Study. Sick guests left germs on items often not cleaned between stays, including TV remote controls. USA Today. Study finds TV remotes hold more than batteries. Fecal bacteria found on TV remotes.
All right, this morning on Today's Health, the 12 germiest places you can encounter in America. Okay, the remote control in the hotel room that's number 12.
Yeah, it's the first thing that people pick up, just like you pick it up when you go in, and it's covered with cold viruses and bacteria.
You know, whether you pay $50 a night or $500, most of us just want a hotel room that's clean and quiet. Tonight, a 5 Eyewitness News investigation on whether some Twin Cities hotels meet that standard. Here's Ross Burgess.
These are some of the Twin Cities' prime hotel destinations. As I checked into the hotels, I came armed for inspection. A black light reveals some of what you miss with a naked eye. You've heard about bedspreads, but we checked what you might touch most often, the remote control. At some places, the body fluids were front and center, right at your fingertips. At the St. Paul Radisson, our room looks clean, but the light shows something on the remote. We followed precise procedures, taking swabs at all locations, then sent them to a lab for testing. The results at the St. Paul Radisson, traces of semen on the remote. At the Holiday Inn Bloomington, the black light not as revealing, but the lab tests show urine. At the Minneapolis Hyatt, semen.
The solution.
The Clean Remote. Its flat, non-porous membrane surface makes it easy to wipe clean and disinfect.
The test.
In side-by-side testing, the Clean Remote was compared to the Zen 110, hospitality and healthcare's most frequently used remote. Also tested was a Panasonic TV remote, one of the most popular remotes used in U.S. households. An equal amount of blood was applied to all 3 remote control surfaces. It was allowed to dry and then wiped clean. The results speak for themselves. The Clean Remote will not only stay clean and bright, but according to a clinical study conducted by University of Arizona's microbiologist, Dr. Charles Gerba, bacteria levels found on the Clean Remote were 99% lower than on all other remotes tested in the study. The data collected showed the Clean Remote had far lower bacteria counts than any of the other remotes, even before being cleaned.
Easy setup.
Just a simple touch of one button and the remote programs itself, working over 200 brands of TVs. Its features and layout have been ergonomically designed for ease of use by staff and guests.
The Clean Remote makes your guest room a clean room.